my channel. It's Miss Sheila. So in this video, we are going to do the unboxing. So a company who sells jewelry findings contacted me through my email, and it says different. How are you? Please allow me to introduce myself first. This is LBeads from China. We offer all kinds of jewelry making products, including jewelry beads such as acrylic beads, gemstone beads, and so on. Jewelry findings such as cabochons, clasps, and so on. Beading supplies, stringing materials, and sewing and DIY craft, and many more. We have watched your YouTube videos and like them very much. So we are writing this email to see whether we could have cooperations. You can have a look of our website and choose some favorite items for free. And afterwards, we'd like you to do some videos for us on your YouTube channel to help promote our products. Isn't this great idea? What do you think of this? And of course, we can discuss about the cooperation details. And they put their website, which is LBeads.com. And looking forward for hearing from you. Thanks. Sincerely, LBeads. So, after I read their email, I respond to their message, and I said, okay, and what do I need to do? And they discuss the cooperation details. And after that, I send the order number, and they send me the item that I want to make in jewelry. So here is the products that I chose to their website, and I didn't open this one. I want to do the unboxing with you guys for you to able to see what I've got to LBeads. So alright guys, so this is the item that I received from LBeads.com, and let's open. So they use Depex, and when it's arrived to Thailand, it switched to Flash Express. So I want to use the scissors to open this one. Okay guys, when you open the bubble wrap, so the packing list is included. Alright guys, so this is the item that I chose to LBeads.com, and let's go on each item that I chose. So this is the first item. It's called Elastic Crystal Thread Stretchy String Bead Cord for beaded jewelry making. So it's clear and it's only 0.5 mm. So, and the second item that I chose to LBeads is the brass earring hooks with micropade, so AAA cubic zirconia. Next one is this one. So I love the color, that's why I included to my items. So this one is natural jade beads strands, so it's round dyed mixed color. This one is 10 mm, and the hole is 1.2 mm, about 35 pieces strands. Alright, so 34 centimeter this one. The next one guys is the, wow, so this one is 3 boxes nail art decoration accessories with resin, cabochons, and glass. This one is no hole, beads, chip and bare, deep pink. So I will do my nail art, DIY nail art soon. Alright. So the next item, guys, is this one. Oh, stainless steel eyelash thinning shears comb, eyebrow trimmer, scissors, and this is also for shaping, eyebrow grooming, cosmetic tools. So this is pink. So this one is, I think it's 3 pieces. So alright, so the next item that I chose is a tool. This is a carbon steel jewelry pliers nylon. So jaw pliers. This is a flat nose. Alright, so I will not open. I will open this one if I will do the video how to make a DIY jewelry using the LBeads products. Alright, so the next one is this carbon steel jewelry pliers and cutting pliers and nipper pliers polishing. This is a gunmetal, about 108 mm. Alright, so the next item, guys, is the, oh, I love this one. So I will open this one. This is a unisex retro brass adjustable cuff rings with carb and feather pattern. This one is silver. So I love rings and earrings. Oh, the quality, guys, is so amazing. I love it. So let me try it on now. Wow, so cute. Alright, so the next one, guys, is this one. It's stainless steel pendants with unsoldered jump rings, flat round with tree of life. So stainless steel color. Oh, I chose this one because I want to make a DIY earrings using this pendant. Alright, so let's go on to the next item. Okay, guys, so the next item is this one box 8 colors mix style. This is a glass round seed beads mix color 2 mm, and it's about 12,500 pieces per box. Wow, this one, I love it. And the next item, guys, is this round elastic crystal thread stretchery bracelet string clear, about 0.7 mm, and it's 120 meter per roll. Wow, so this. Okay, so the next item is this one. Alright, so this one is Tibetan style alloy spacer beads, lead free and nickel free. It's antique silver, about 5 mm in diameter. The hole is 1.5 meter, 1.5 mm. Alright, so the next item is this one. Oh, I choose this one because of the different colors. So let me open. This one is brass rhinestone spacer beads, grade A mixed color. And this is a rondel nickel free silver gold color plated size, about, wow, so cute, about 7 mm in diameter, 3.2 mm thick, the thickness. So cute, guys. Alright, so let's go to another item. Okay, so the next item is this one, the sterling silver leatherback hoop earring findings. So it's silver and the hole is 1 mm. Wow, I love this one. Okay, guys, so the next item is this one. It's acrylic rhinestone spacer beads brass silver color plated mixed color. It's about 6 mm in diameter and the hole is 0.7 mm. As you notice, guys, I have a lot of spacer beads because I will make a DIY bracelet using the LBeads products. Alright, so the next item is this one. This one is the brass rhinestone spacer beads grade AAA streaks flange nickel free silver color plated. This one is rondel crystal. It's about 10 times 4 mm and the hole is 2 mm. Wow, this one is so nice. So I'm open. Here. So cute and it's shining. Alright, so the next product that I've chose to LBeads is this one. Oh, I love this one. This is a brass micropave cubic zirconia charms flower golden. It's about 15 times 10 times 2 mm and the hole is 3 mm. Wow, this one, guys, is really cool. So I will be using this one for DIY earrings. Alright, so let's go on to the next item. The next item is this one. This one is a brass micropave cubic zirconia pendant strawberry platinum. Oh, that's why they put it in a nice package. Wow, I love this one. Wow, this one is about 17 times 12 mm and the hole is 3.5 times 4.5 mm. Alright, guys, so they also have a kind heart to offer you a 3% discount. So my coupon code is LB as in Bravo 2039687. So once again, LB2039687. So you can use this coupon at the checkout point for you to able to enjoy a 3% discount off your orders. So guys, if you are looking for a jewelry findings materials, I assure you that I have a good quality in a reasonable price. So don't worry, I will put their website down below on my description box, as well as the coupon code and the product links that I chose to their website, the LBeads.com. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. So bye for now, and see you on my next video, how to make a DIY jewelry using the LBeads products. Bye.